Cooking with Compare is sponsored by Compare Foods.
It's almost time to trick or treat, and before they head out door to door, those little ghosts and goblins will be hungry.
Yes, they will. And Compare Foods and Xochil Silva have you covered this morning with a spooky treat. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
All right. We're making something good today, Eugene.
I know, this is something really good. The very first thing is zombie what? Zombie hot dogs? Is that what it is?
Zombie hot dogs.
Okay, how do we do this?
It's practically a pigs in a blanket, but we're just gonna make it fun for kids, and then we're gonna also make it fun for kids to participate.
Okay, well, what goes into making these? What are the ingredients that we need?
Pretty simple, just regular hot dogs, and you can either choose crescent rolls or you can use biscuit dough. The texture is going to be a little bit different.
Those are always my favorite as a kid. Love those.
And for adults, I usually like jalapeno cheddar dogs.
Okay. And then we've got some cheese over there.
We got some cheese for the adult ones. I like to just make a little slit and add some cheese.
Okay, already, you already got me. Good.
Now for the kids, you can make it fun. Now you can just wrap them as is.
Okay.
Or you can give them little legs.
Oh my gosh, give them legs.
And arms. And we're going to wrap the little legs and arms.
Okay, I like that.
So,
awesome.
do you want to help me wrap some of these?
I will help you out
There
here.
is no wrong way to do it.
Okay.
We're just going to grab some pieces, and you want to make sure your pastry puff is nice and cold so it doesn't stick as much. And you also want to make sure you leave a little bit of space up at the front so that we can put those googly eyes on there when we're done baking them.
The hot dog looks like it has a tourniquet on the top of his head. Right?
Pretty much.
Like that?
That's pretty much what's going on.
This is so great because this is such a fun way to get the kids involved and get them excited about Halloween.
And this is a great prep ahead before you guys head out to go trick-or-treating. You can wrap these up the night before, put them in the fridge, and they're ready to pop in the oven.
Easy.
And then right before you guys leave to go trick-or-treating, your kids are fed, and we can prevent hangerism. Hangerism.
Oh, that's hungry and angry.
Yes.
Angry.
We don't need to be in the middle of trick-or-treating with someone on the floor screaming and yelling because they're hungry.
We don't need any meltdowns this Halloween.
No, we don't. So we're gonna, after we wrap these up, we're gonna pop them in the oven, 350, 12 to 15 minutes, super easy, or until they're golden brown. And then you're gonna see right at the end there, you can finish it off with some googly eyes. They're little sprinkles.
I want to put this up. Can you see those googly eyes?
Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
How fun. And the spiderweb ketchup and mustard over there. How creative is that?
Have fun with the dips. I do like to make creative dips.
And this is a spider web.
Yep, that's a spider web.
It looks pretty
Eugene,
good.
you need to give one of these a taste, I think.
Can I mess up the spider web with,
go ahead.
the thing? I can do that? Okay,
All right.
I'm not going to double dip either. There's no double dipping.
No double dipping. Give it a taste. And you can find all of these ingredients at Compare Foods.
Oh, yeah.
Good?
That's what I'm talking about.
Eugene is ready. Eugene's a kid at heart, I think, a little bit. Where can people find more from you, Xochil?
Audacious Eats, audacious_eats on Instagram. You can find me there. You can also find me on Facebook as well.
I am so entertained by this. I'm having a really good time wrapping this up right here. Thank you so much for being here today. Look at that.
I like that. I like this even better.